Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming. And today we are going to make a Python program to print to print plus using stars. Okay, we are going to print a plus patterns using star. So let's start the question. First, I will take the input n. N is the number. How many lines we are going to print a star. Okay, so int input. I will write here enter n here. Okay, and here I will take a for loop for I in range. I will take the value of I from 1 to n. Okay, from 1 to n. If you want to go from 1 to n, then you will write here n plus 1. I am taking here I from 1 to n because let's suppose you take the value of n to be 5. Okay, we are going to take the value of n always odd number, not even, because you can only print star if you take the value of n odd, not for even. Okay, like to take, you take 3, in 3 lines we are going to print a star, space, space, star, uh, star, enter, space, star, enter, space, star. Okay, and here star, and here star. Okay, this is the plus pattern for n equal to 3. Okay, so here you can see, if you take the value of I from 1 to n plus 1 means 1 to 3, this is 1 and this will be 4, so we will go, the value of I will go from 1 to 3. Okay, so for I1, I1 here, I2, I3. Okay, and we will take another for loop for j in range from 1 to n plus 1, same condition. Okay, and j will go from 1 to 3, so 1, 2 and 3. This, see my cursor, 1, 2 and 3. This is for j, and for I, 1, 2 and 3. You can clearly see here, in the, if the middle means you take the value of n 3, then the middle term means 1, 2, 3, which is middle 2. Okay, only in the middle term there are stars, except else all are spaces, like this. Okay, and like you take the value 5, then at the 3 index there are stars, else all places have spaces. Okay, so this, I will add this condition for j in range from 1 to n plus 1, and inside this for loop I will write a condition if I is equal to mid or j is equal to mid. Okay, mid, I will take here a variable mid equal to, first I will comment out it, mid equal to n divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, n is not defined yet, so I will write mid here. Okay, so the value of mid is, now if you take the value n equal to 3, then 3 divided by 2, 1 plus 1, 2. If you take n 5, then 5 divided by 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, so I will write here, if I equal to mid or j equal to mid, then we will print star, print star. Okay, else wait, else I will print a space. Okay, so let's run the code. 3. Okay, so after this for loop, you are going to back to the next line. Okay, after this for loop, print, for next line we use slash n. Okay, backslash n, and this star will print in the next line. Okay, stars are printing in the next line, so for printing in the same line we use and equal to comma and equal to this. Okay, so let's run the code now. It should give right answer for 3. The plus is printing. Okay, and let's take another another value 5, enter. Okay, if you take even number then star will not print, sorry, plus will not print. Okay, now the format of plus is changed. 7. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.